Please excuse the junk pile. This is all kind of spring leftovers and winter leftovers from last year, but this we have. Granted, it's all on the wrong end at the moment because I just got it all put together just to test it out. Gonna have 3 of these. These are like 50 or 60 watt band heaters, 120 volt, something like that. They get up to 900 degrees. That's all I really cared about, but those will be terminating into a PID controller in the near future. This is a 120, I forgot how many volts and amps it is. It's 120 volts, but it's got a 745 1-to-1 reduction gearbox in it. And inside of here is an old industrial injection screw that I'll show you all pretty soon here. But here's the Maiden Voyage. I don't have anything else to set it on yet because it's so huge. It's like a 100, I guess it's 40 millimeters by 1100 some odd, maybe 1200 millimeters long. So obviously it went into a giant commercial injection machine at one time, but I got it for a score. So let's try it out. Slight alignment issue. Obviously I don't have it mounted down, so it's wiggle wobbling all over the dang place, but the injection screw obviously is quite huge, needs a lot of torque to turn it. So that's rotating at like 6.5 RPM, something like that, down from whatever the motor is, and I believe it's 1500 or 2500, something like that. I forgot the math. Either way, this injection screw weighs about 30 pounds, so it's doing pretty dang good for just sitting there. But there she is in all her glory. I have no idea what the actual ratios are in the compression bands here from the feeder up to the compression end, and this didn't actually come with it. I had to buy that separately, but I've got it mounted in there. This is like an 1.5 inch screw, and if you know anything about injection molding, that'll all make sense to you, but that is about the profile of the whole thing. It's huge. But that'll be making graphene infused injection plastic in the near future. At least that's the goal. We'll see how it goes.